What up, world? I'm Steve, founder and CEO of Crypto Crew University. This is where we keep crypto simple. Today, another exciting video. Is Bitcoin's crash over, or has it just begun? The answer will surprise you. If you guys are new here, join the movement. Hit that subscribe button right now. Everybody hit that thumbs up. I appreciate you. It's great to see you. I want to thank you guys. The overwhelming support for my birthday was incredible. And I want to show you guys the love that you showed me. So I'm extending our special sale for 24 more hours so I can show my love back to you guys. Crypto Crew, promo code Crypto Crew. You do not want to let this pass you guys by. Take action right now. Promo code Crypto Crew to save an extra $50 on the classes. You're going to sign up to this combo class. If you've been in crypto around 1 year, it'll be the first link in the description, and I will link it right here. You're going to sign up to this combo if you've been in crypto just a few months. It'll be the second link in the description, and I'll link it right here. Promo code Crypto Crew. Now, let's leave off where we were before. On the past couple videos right over here, we had set the tone, okay? Back here, we were saying there's a time to be cautious and a time to be greedy. And we were saying it's a time to be cautious, there's a correction incoming. In fact, when we were back here around 7,100, we said, look, this is a time to be cautious. Bitcoin could definitely go up from here, but it will be a very small percentage. It's just going to go up a little bit, but the correction is coming. And you guys know what has happened. So we can't be surprised that the correction is here, but the bigger question is this correction over, or is it just starting? So let's investigate. We're going to look at two scenarios through this video. And I want you guys to draw your conclusion. We're going to draw our conclusion at the end. But we're going to look at the bullish case and the bearish case and see what kind of an argument is there for both cases. Let's start with the bullish case. Those are the Bitcoin bulls out there. We're going to start with that scenario. So the good news is for the Bitcoin bulls, we're holding 6,400. Why is that important? First off, it's been an extremely important level, not only for this entire period, but previous periods through this entire consolidation period. It's held support, it's held resistance multiple times, making it the most pivotal point of price action right now for Bitcoin. So if we were to hold 6,004, we could see a bounce, and let me show you how. Look at our stochastics. Our stochastics is overdrawn to the downside. It was in a sharp manner to the downside. So we are overextended with our momentum. If we were to hold 6,004, we could see a quick bounce from the stochastics, simply like we did before a few months ago. All right, back in July here, we had a similar move. We had our bottom here. We had a nice rally and then a pullback and then the big rally. All right, so we had a rally here, similar percentages. I believe this one was about 21%, and this one was about 25%. Okay, so if you're a Bitcoin bull, there is still a chance. Okay, we're going to show you another angle for Bitcoin bulls as well. But first, let's get to the bears. The bears is, look, these are very large candles. This is a lot of movement in the market, and you can see that action in the stochastics. Also, for a bearish signal, we had an extended period of time overdrawn on the stochastics. How extended, you ask? It was about 18 days above the 80 mark. What does that mean? The past year of history for Bitcoin, it's only happened 2 times. That we've had that extended period of time overdrawn consecutive days. All right. If you draw back, you can see that, it's generally around a week to 6 days above the 80 mark. And we were 18 days. So as a bearish case, we were really overextended to the upside. We've just started flushing out. RSI is at 41, still room to the downside. And we don't hold any support levels with our moving averages, making it a little bit worse. Let's get to the 3-day chart. So we were just looking at the 1-day chart. And to all my students, you guys have free access to Coinigy. Take a look at the chart, CCU YouTube BTC. For the bullish and bearish case for the 3-day chart. Bullish case, take a look at this. We've got our RSI for the 3-day. For the past 2.5 months has been in an upward channel, meaning we set our low here on 624. We made a higher low on 8.8, and we're looking to make our 3rd consecutive higher low with the RSI. So for the bulls, please have a look at the RSI on the 3-day. You do not want it going below 38. If you see that, it is very bad news for your bull case. Also, we're going to take a look at the bearish case on the 3-day, and then I'm going to show you 4 charts that will make it a little bit more clear as to, is this correction, is this crash just starting, or is it over? So the bearish case on the 3-day is we just had a cross on our stochastics. The momentum is just starting to move down. We just had a cross literally a few days ago, right? So that's the bearish case and bullish case on the 3-day and on the 1-day. One other thing I would like to point out, if we go back to this chart, take a step back, everybody. Trading can be really complicated and stressful, right? It doesn't need to be. What I focus on, and this is tailor-made to crypto. You guys know I've been trading for 17 years. I have a lot of experience in a lot of different markets. In crypto, it's super simple, right? Everybody wants to make it really complicated, but each move is between 1 week to 2 months, right? Meaning we go up 2 months, and then we go down for 1 week to 2 months, and then we go up for 1 week to 2 months and down for 1 week to 2 months. It's really, really simple. A lot of people want to day trade and swing trade because that's where they think the money is. The real money are in these swings. You can make money while you're sleeping. You can make money in a bear market, in a bull market. It doesn't matter. This is the style of trading that is incredibly successful. And I want you guys to take a step back. Save yourself that stress. Save yourself that time. This will save you a lot of time and a lot of stress and will make you a lot more money having this system. And it's really simplistic. So I just want to leave you guys with that note. And that's the way I trade. That's the way I teach how to trade in the classes. So I want to read a quick review from Joe Hardy. Not necessarily a review, but a comment on the last video, and I think it's really inspirational. Joe says, thanks as always, Steve. Happy birthday, by the way. And thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. It was just incredible. Keep up what you're doing. It has truly changed my life by taking your classes. I have went from losing money and being down over 40% in my account, or I had been going from losing money to being up over 40% in my account. So Joe went from losing money, having a losing portfolio, to being up over 40%. So thank you, Joe. Keep on doing it. You guys know 24 hours remaining to give special thanks back to you guys for all the love for the birthday. Promo code CryptoCrew. You're going to sign up to this course right here, top rated crypto classes. It'll be the first link in the description if you've been in crypto around 1 year, and you're going to sign up to this combo if you've been in crypto just a few months. It'll be the second link in the description. I will link both of those here. Let's get to this next part of today's lesson, today's video. I want to share with you guys some different angles on these charts, and two of the charts, the last 2 charts I'm going to show you, are absolutely fascinating. A little bit scary, but fascinating. So this is the 2014 chart. You guys are well aware that we've had 4 bottoms, and we had talked about in previous videos that we were here, meaning we had our moving average coming up, coinciding, crossing with our base, this blue line, and we touched down and we went on a rally. Remember, that rally was about 22%. In today's market, we had our moving average coming up, crossing right at that base, and then we had a rally. It looks like a bigger rally here, but it was just 25%, right? Similar percentage moves. And we talked about up here, it's a time to be cautious. I know it's difficult when almost all of the YouTube platform was calling for a bull run. Bull run is back, bull run. It's really distracting. And I want you guys just to keep that level head, keep your emotion in check. And it's time to be cautious up here. We saw that rejection and we're coming back to touch our base. We had talked about it in a previous video. And if we continue that, our base is obviously down around 6,000. But what could be worse is that we touched our base back in 2014, but we broke it. And that could be the first time that we break our base in 8 to 9 months. All right. So what I'm prepared for and what you guys should be prepared for and what we've talked about on the previous videos, we've had this base for 8 or 9 months. It could be this move that breaks our base. And the next 2 charts could potentially show you how that will happen. All right. So what we're looking for first is if we hold support on that moving average and the base, and we'll see how the chart plays out then and where we are with our stochastics and the RSI. But let me show you these 2 charts. This is the 2014 on the 1 day. We were just looking at the 2014 on the 3 day. But what I would like to show you is this. We covered it in a previous video and it was really scary. Remember all these red candles we had in a row? Remember we did a video talking about that's only happened 2 times in history where we've had, I believe it was 10 red candles out of 11, which is really absurd. Only happened 2 times in history. Pay attention to the dates. That first time for us in present day happened in August. If we go back to 2014 and we scroll back in time here, if you go back to August of 2014, it also happened in August, the first time that we've ever had all of those red candles in a row. But it happened again in 2014, and it happened again right after this run that we just saw. Meaning this is our bottom, right? This is our base. This is our 4th bottom that we've been discussing. And we had that rally, which we had in present day, and then those red candles happened for the 2nd time. But look at the month. It happened in September. So September was right after this top that we just had, and we started our downfall with our 2nd red candle. It's quite fascinating. So if you look at today, we're in September. This is the top after our 4th bottom, and we're starting all of our red candles, so far 3, which is not very significant, but I'll tell you what is significant: 10 red candles and 1 green. That's significant. If we repeat this pattern, that's absolutely fascinating. And like I said, we've been repeating 2013, 2014. We have been repeating to a T, move for move, but that's what I'm watching out for on the downside for the bearish case. So we have more support for the bearish case, meaning we have more evidence for the bearish case. Again, there is some evidence for a bull case. We want to hold 6,004 for a bull case. But again, if we are repeating history, which it's not definite, but the evidence could suggest that we are in for our 2nd repeat of history, meaning all of these red candles in a row and a break of our base. So that's what I'm watching out for. You could see that we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles approaching our base. And today we've had 1, 2, 3 approaching our base. So it's lining up move for move, also month for month, August and September. So We're going to keep a close eye on this, but what I would like you guys to focus on, this is not a time to be greedy, right? If you guys are a bull and you're saying, you know what, I'm going to buy this because, Steve says there is a chance we could bounce off 6,004. This is not an opportunity to be buying right now. And it's also not an opportunity to be selling. The indicators don't suggest selling or buying, all right? In terms of playing the swing strategy, which I do, which is incredibly, incredibly successful. I don't talk about it a lot on this channel. I mentioned a few times that I have been my own boss for the past 7 years, and I've been to 59 countries. So obviously the strategy works really well. Now, I don't want to be braggadocious or silly things like that. I just want to show you guys that, hey, it's possible to do whatever you want in this world if you're smart, you remove emotion, you look at it level-headed, and you play the market as it's meant to be played. Crypto is meant to be played with these swings. There's a lot of money to be made in these swings. So again, hold tight. I know this could be really stressful. This could be really emotional, but let's stay level-headed. We're going to keep our eye really closely on 6,004 and 6,000. Those are the two levels I want you to watch. We will follow up with another video taking a look at how the indicators are playing out. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join the movement. And you guys know there's only 24 hours left. I don't want to see you pass up this opportunity. This is your opportunity to make a big change in your life. It is today. Crypto Crew, promo code Crypto Crew, save an extra $50. So you're going to save $150 on this series. This will be the first link in the description. You will sign up to this one if you've been in crypto around 1 year. I'll link it here as well. You're going to sign up to this series if you've been in crypto just a few months. It'll be the second link in the description. I'll link it here as well. Thank you again for your overwhelming support. We are building such a special community together, and really thank you guys. And I'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the Crypto Crew.